Why has no one cleaned this place up?
It's on my list. I'll get to it when I get to it.
Look what I found. Remember when we made a giant ice cream cone for the ice cream truck? That was a fun day.
Ah, I remember it like it was tomorrow. What were we talking about?
Going for a drive. What's so hard about that?
Can I bring my new toy?
What do I care? Just don't color the van.
Oh, but I like colors.
Okay, keep your eye out for puddles. The bigger, the better.
Where are we gonna find puddles in all this rain?
We have to think like a puddle. If I were a puddle and it was raining, where would I hide?
At the top of a hill.
There's one now.
Hooray! That was fun.
Let's find another one.